the name Chepkoech, which is subject to confirmation, and accompanied it with the words Kufeni Wote. It is therefore imperative for this court to take judicial notice of that as you rest to make your ruling.
Only 1 minute, Your Honor. Just to add on what my learned friend has indicated, she has exempted one part of the statement, and our client is here. Kufeni nyinyi nyote munasumbua serikali. Permit me to take you to the 30th of June, 2025. Where a police officer shot in broad daylight during protest a man named Boniface Kariuki. The circumstances of that shooting and killing were as they were on the 25th of June. That was 30th of May, sorry. But that's during the demonstration for Albert. But that officer was not brought before any anti-terrorism court. Yet the circumstances fits and suits the definitions under Section 2 of the Terrorism Act. It tells you there is a double standard in the manner in which the DPP is executing its functions. Finally, in summary, the doctrine of exemption created by Section 2, which our land senior counsel, His Excellency Dr. Kalonzo, referred to, exempting protests from acts of terrorism, underscores the necessity of distinguishing between peaceful political expressions and violent acts, thereby upholding democratic principles and protecting individual rights. If that then would be the test, and if the court would be inclined to applying that as a test, it therefore would mean that the charge is stinking to the high heavens, and that this court, to the extent of the porters, lacks jurisdiction. Amosa.
Our quorum from the Law Society has increased. We have Mr. Brian Njeri. Yes, Your Honor. I'm present. He was in Njeri.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've been listening to submissions by the defense. And before proceeding to make my submissions, I'd like to highlight, I think,